Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyan Bharati Junior College of Science, Gurgaon. So, in the last video, we had seen the perfectly black body and the fairy's perfectly black body. So today we are going to see or discuss the new topic, that is the elusive power, or again it may be called as referred as the elusivity, denoted by the letter capital E. After that, the coefficient of emission, denoted by letter small e, and here the question number 7, state the Kirchhoff's law of radiation and give its theoretical proof. So we have to discuss here or define here the elusive power and coefficient of emission first, and after that I will discuss the Kirchhoff's law and its theoretical proof also. So here is the general point, that is the every body radiates heat at all temperatures. Suppose here is the body, and this body radiates heat at all temperatures. What I am saying? Every body of the universe radiates its energy, radiates radiant energy at all temperatures, except at the absolute zero of the temperature. What I am saying, listen carefully. Every body radiates energy at all temperatures other than or except than that of the absolute zero of the temperature. Means here is the body. This body is going to radiate heat energy or radiant energy at all temperatures except at the zero of the temperature, absolute zero of the temperature. And you are all known about the absolute zero of the temperature. It is not necessary to tell. So here, this body radiates energy at all temperature other than or the except of the absolute zero of the temperature. So here, this radiant energy emitted per unit time, per unit surface area. What I am saying? The radiant energy going to emit by the body, radiated by the body, is depend on, suppose Q is the radiant energy radiated by the body, and this radiant energy radiated by the body, emitted by the body, is depend on the three factors. Number first, temperature of the body. Temperature of body. Second one, surface area of the body. Surface area of body. And number third, nature of surface of the body. Nature of surface of the body. What I am saying? Every body radiates energy, heat energy, radiant energy at all temperature except that of the absolute zero of the temperature. And the radiant energy radiated by the body depends on the three factors. Number first, temperature of the body itself, surface area of the body, and denoted by letter small t, that is the temperature of the body denoted by small t. Area, that is the surface area of the table, means the surface area, and that is denoted by the letter A. So here the surface area of the body denoted by the letter A means radiant energy emitted by the body. Radiated by the body is dependent on the temperature of the body itself denoted by the letter small t. Secondly, the surface area of the body denoted by the letter capital A. And thirdly, the nature of the body. Here third point is that the nature of the body. Means nature means how is the body is. Body is rough or smooth, or it may be the polished or unpolished. So these are called as the nature of the body. So here is speaking in word, this can be stated that is radiant energy radiated by the body, emitted by the body depends on the three factors, and I am going to state in this statement in the mathematical form. Therefore, that Q is directly proportional to the area of the body and temperature of the body. Here radiant energy emitted is directly proportional to the area of the surface of the body and temperature of the body. And nature है, polish है, unpolished है, that is not written in this formula. So here instead of this proportionality sign, I want to introduce some equal sign with the constant. So here Q is equal to some constant into A into T. And this constant is given a name that is capital E. Therefore E into A into T. Therefore here Q is equal to EAT. And here this constant is called as, here this constant is called as emissive power of the body. Emissive power or emissivity of the body. So here the emissive power or the emissivity of the body can be defined as, therefore here E is equal to, that is Q upon A into T, that is Q upon A into T. So this is the basic formula or definition of the emissivity or the emissive power. So here the emissive power or the emissivity of the body is defined as, it is the ratio of amount of radiant energy emitted per unit time per unit surface area of the body at a given temperature. So this is the emissive power or the emissivity. So here we can define the term emissive power or the emissivity capital E is radiant energy emitted per unit time per unit surface area by the body at a given temperature, and this is the constant value. This depends on the area, temperature, and this factor Q is the radiant energy emitted. So here E is equal to Q upon A into T. So here the unit, it is the energy measured in the joule. Now here Q, it is measured in the joule. Area is measured in the meter square, and time is measured in the second. So joule per second per meter square is the unit for the measurement of the emissive power. This is the measurement of the emissive power. Now here dimension, this is the unit. Joule per meter square per second is the unit for the measurement of the emissive power or emissivity of the body. Now the dimension of the E. So here capital E emissive power, it is nothing but the form of the energy. Emissive power. This is the constant. Emissive power or the emissivity, that is the energy, that is the radiant energy upon surface area upon time t. So here Q is the dimension of the capital E, that is the dimension of the heat energy, radiant energy upon dimension of the area and dimension of the time. So here Q is the form of the heat energy, that is the having the again dimension of the work and the energy. Therefore here this is the, that is M1, that is L2 and T minus 2. So here I want to write here, that is M1 L2